y'all, welcome to another vlog. Today is Wednesday, I think. It's like the middle of the week and I'm about to go for my walk. I actually haven't done like a walk since like last week, but I'm trying to like slowly work it into my routine and stuff. But after I do that, I'm going to go run some errands. I'm going to Michael's and I'm going to try and go to the nail supply store. I'm currently working on relaunching my press-ons business, nail business stuff. So y'all might know that like I have like a nail channel and I'm uploading videos. I can do like video content, but then I'm also wanting to do like an online store with it. I've had it open before, so I'm kind of just like have everything ready. I just need to like redo it again, like just revamp it, make it, update it a little bit. Like I feel like I've just been talking about it for like so long. It's just kind of been like in the works for so long that I just need to hurry up and like do it, and not like rush in a sense, but just kind of like get serious and like really work hard and focus on that. So I kind of set a date for myself, which was early June, like the best day in the first week of June, to relaunch it like fully last week. And last weekend I hadn't had a website for it. I just used like Big Cartel the last time that I sold products. But this time I'm making a website and I bought a domain and I'm going to use Shopify this time. So I'm working on the website, and then I'm working on like the first round, like the first collection of things that I want. I had plans on like upgrading like a lot of my stuff, like my camera and this new thing that I want to start for my personal like Blake Jael stuff. And I ordered like a lot of money's worth of camera gear and stuff, and Amazon kind of like messed up the order and stuff. So now it was gonna come on tomorrow, but it got canceled and all this, so I have to like reorder it. So that's kind of a bummer, but that will be in the mail soon because I really want to like revamp everything. I'm just trying to get like more inspired. I am inspired, but like just not by what I've been doing. So yeah, I have to just like wait for the cancellation to go through my bank to like reorder it, because like it took out the money but it didn't like put it back, you know. So I'm waiting on that so I can reorder the stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and get on with the and I'll see you guys. I don't know, I might vlog while I'm out. In the process of getting new like camera gear and like just like updating my setup. And so I've been ordering some stuff, had some issues with ordering some stuff, but I'm getting it. And I just wanted to show y'all my camera, my new camera, and talk about like what I'm using. Okay, so let me show you. So I currently use this camera to film all my videos. This is my first like real camera. I got this when I was like 13. I begged for it, my mom to get it for me. And this is a Nikon D5100. I don't even think this is like really sold anymore. Like you can buy it used and stuff, but I don't think you can really get it anymore. But it's a DSLR camera, and then I always use the 18 to 55 millimeter lens, and I have another one, but I think this is just the kit lens, and this is what I used. When I originally asked for this camera, I wanted to like take photos and stuff, and then later on I realized like, oh, I want to make YouTube videos, and so this is the camera that I had, so I used it. But I wouldn't recommend, like, it's not the best cameras for like making YouTube videos. I wouldn't say that this is like the best one, but it did the job very well to this point. So the things that it had, like the most important thing is like a flip out screen. Most people like this. Like most videos about cameras, you'll see like most people prefer it to flip out and not up, but I feel like for filming yourself and like YouTube videos, the flip up screen is better because you can see yourself on both sides of the lens. With this, if I'm like on this side of the lens, I can't see this. So I think photographers prefer a flip out screen. So that was one of the things that I wanted in my new camera. And also this has a recording limit of 20 minutes, and I'm used to it now, but I didn't want to have to deal with that anymore. So that was the second thing. That was like mainly the requirements that I needed. Any new camera now has like lots of megapixels, 1080p and 4K video recording and stuff. So it was basically just those two things. And I wanted something in between a point and shoot and a DSLR. I feel like I don't max out the capacity of a DSLR, so I also went with a mirrorless camera. So I think that's it. So yeah, this is my camera right now. It still works very well. It's like it's perfect condition. But I just wanted to up the quality. So when I was looking for cameras, I originally was most interested, like at the beginning of the year, most interested in Sony cameras, like the Sony A61, 64,000. And then I kind of forgot that I was gonna get a new camera. And then more recently, when I started back looking, I found the Canon M50 and how much everyone liked that. But as much as like people really do love it, I feel like it might be like better suited for photographers, just because it does have that flip out screen and it does have a recording limit, but it's like good quality for a good price. Like you could get a full like microphone, a bag, the camera, a lens for like $500, maybe even an SD card. Like they have packages and stuff. So like if I was first starting out and I was like, oh, I want like a real camera, like I don't want to just use my phone. I'm using my phone right now to film this, but I would get that one. But since it wasn't my first camera, I didn't want to get like something that I already had again, you know what I mean? So I ended up going with the Sony A6100, and I just was going to unbox this for you guys. And I also got this gimbal. I've always just kind of like wanted a gimbal. I felt like this, I just wanted to like try this out, see what I could do with it, just be inspired, you know. But I ended up going with this camera because it does have a flip out screen, it doesn't have a recording limit, and it shoots 1080p and 4K video, but I don't need 4K video. And the price was under $1,000. And also I went with the 61 as opposed to the 64, just because of the price difference. The 64 is about like $9.99 and this one was $6.99 or $6.50, something like that, depending on where you get it. But I got this one for $700 from Best Buy. And for the things that you get with the 6400, I didn't necessarily need, so I went with the 61. Like it had like picture profiles and like I think some more shooting capabilities and like 4K and stuff, but I didn't need that stuff. So I went ahead and went this one, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. Oh, and also I've already opened this, but I just want to show y'all. So it comes with all the manuals and stuff like this, like warranty, the manuals and stuff, but I rather watch YouTube videos than read. So and then this, and then it has the, let me get it out. The camera on this side, and I think it looks so beautiful. Like this is so pretty. And then it comes with the battery, a little wall connector, the cord so you can charge it, a strap, and a viewfinder piece. So this is a charger. It doesn't come with like a wall charger, so I'll probably buy one, but you can just like plug the camera up into the wall. But let's turn it on because I've already charged the battery. So yeah, this is the new camera, and like just comparing in like size, this is like point and shoot but with like DSLR quality, and I just think that's so cool because I can take this out more, and the screen, I feel like flipping up is more compact than flipping out, especially when like vlogging and stuff. So let me show you. It's like, which one would you rather hold? This one. And then we'll just turn it on. Take the lens cap off. And I'm going to film a clip with my new camera and my current camera, and see if we can tell a difference. This camera also has really good autofocus, and that was another thing. This camera does not have autofocus. Like, it does, but it's not good. Not the kind of autofocus that will, it's not quick or anything. Let me hold this one in this end. Okay, I'm recording video on both right now. Zoom out, zoom out. So y'all can see for yourself which one you might like better. I have like a few settings set on both. Okay, so I'm gonna continue the video on my Sony. Also, another thing is this one has like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can connect the app to your phone. So now I'm going to unbox this gimbal. Let's see. So I don't even know how to like fully work this. I'm about to like mess with it right now and watch some videos, but I don't even like know what to say everything is. But this is like the main piece, and then it has the tripod legs and the plate for the top, a cord. I think this is for the charging cord, and then it has like a whole bunch of stuff in here. You can also use this with your phone, so it has this connector, and I think these are for like a GoPro. So and then a whole bunch of like connecting cords. So yeah, I'm gonna like get into this, and then once I get it working, we'll see like what I can do with it. We just found out that my face is in Target, so we're about to go look and see if we can find it at our local Targets. I got it. Oh, they have it. Let's see. Oh, Nina. What? In Erica. We didn't see that in the other one. Very nice. Let me get your picture. Have gloves. Okay, I'm done. I'm in Target.
Yeah.
We're in Target.
Oh.
I'm hungry now. I haven't eaten all day.
That's how I did. I'm like,
I had a chai latte from Starbucks with an espresso shot, and then I haven't had anything else. And it's 5 o'clock.
Adapted to the less of the.
Hey y'all. So it's dinner time, and like I said earlier, I haven't eaten all day. So I'm about to cook. I'm gonna make quesadillas. I'm gonna make vegan quesadillas, vegan nachos. I have cookies, ice cream. It's basically a celebration. I think I'm going to make the vegan rotel first. So we were at Target and saw this. I've never had this before, but it is Target's Good and Gather brand plant-based ground. It just says ground. It doesn't say ground anything. But it needs to be fully cooked. 100% recyclable tray. Let's see. Water, pea protein, sunflower oil, coconut oil. Yeah. So I'm gonna have this in the rotel, and I'm using Daya cheese. But yeah, this is like mainly all of the stuff that I eat, the vegan stuff, the plant-based stuff that I eat and drink and stuff. Okay, so I just decided to leave it at the nachos because I'm ready to eat and I'm getting tired. Yeah, I did the quesadillas last week, so it's fine. I already had them. But just in case I don't show y'all, this is the ice cream that I'm gonna have. Let's see. I don't know how to make it focus, but it looks like this. This is a new flavor. Made with sunflower butter. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this. My favorite ice cream is cookies and cream. And these cookies from Target, they're vegan, Sweet Lauren's chocolate chunk cookie dough. Really good cookies. I'm gonna have that later. And I'm having these chips with it. So yeah, this is my food, all vegan.